So in this video, we're going to practice our left hand using the major scale backwards, okay? Backwards and forwards. Okay, so let's review the finger numbers first. Left hand finger number 1, your thumb. Finger number 2 is your index finger. Finger number 3 is your middle finger. Finger number 4 is your ring finger. And finger number 5 is your pinky. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Now we'll always start on middle C. This is my middle C right now. Right there. We're going to group the fingers, okay, into two groups. The group of 3 and group of 4 fingers. Okay? So first we play the middle C. I'm going to write it down backwards. So this is middle C. You use your finger number 1 for middle C. Okay? And then you play finger number 2 on the next note below middle C, and finger number 3 on the next note below that note. So we have one key for every finger. That's C, B, and A. But really, all you have to think about for in terms of the letter names is just middle C down here. Okay? As long as you put your finger number 1 on middle C, this will work. Okay? So C, finger number 1, finger number 2 on the left, finger number 3, step down on the left again. Okay? So that's the first group. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Now I'm not writing down the letter names of the notes on finger number 2 and 3. Just focus on middle C, okay? So C, and then step down, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the next group. Instead of playing your 4th finger on the next note, you will start on finger number 1 again. Okay? That will be the G note. Okay? So you're playing a G, the bass G on finger number 1, and you can think about your finger numbers again. You don't need to think about the letter names of the white key. So G is number 1, and then 2, 3, 4. So 2, 3, and 4. There. So far we have group of 3 starting on middle C. I'm right down middle. So C, 1 on middle C, 2, 3, and then 1 again on G, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is the basic pattern that we need to work on. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So practice it a few times. You can pause the video if you have to, just to practice it, and then continue to play the video when you're finished. Okay, when you're comfortable. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if you practice it, we move further. We're going to play 2 octaves. We start, repeat 1, 2, and 3. This time your 1 is still on C again. You notice that's the bass C. Okay, this middle C. When you play the bass C, your finger number 1 should be able to land here on the next lower C. And then you repeat the process. 1, 2, 3. Then we repeat again the group of 4 now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And as you see, number 1 will be playing, your finger number 1 will be playing another G. The bass G. Okay? And then you repeat the process. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. So we're still playing the group of 3 and group of 4. It just repeats, just like the octaves on your keyboard. It's just repeating. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I wrote it down here. We only need to focus on the first note, middle C, for the 1 finger. After playing the group of 3, the group of 4, you just check your first finger should be on a G. That's in between the 3 black keys on the left side of the middle black key. Okay? And then you repeat the process. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you play the next group, 1, 2, 3, your thumb should be on bass C again. 2, 3. G again. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. So you play it going to the left. There. Okay, so practice that. Then after practicing it going to the left, we do it going to the right. So Then now going to the right, we start on this one, but the fingerings are the same. Your thumb will always land on G or on C. So like that. Still following the group of 3 and group of 4. But going up, it should be group of 4, group of 3, group of 4, group of 3. Okay? I'll do it again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. I'm going to play it. Like that. Okay, so practice that for now, and then we'll add more finger exercises in our next video. Good luck!